Hello, welcome to a Maths with Lloydie core maths video. Today we're looking at question one, and we'll go to question two on this little playlist. Question one, question two on the paper twos, whether you're doing A, B, or C, they're all the same. Okay, so whatever you're doing, if I do a playlist, or we'll do a playlist for 2A, 2B, 2C, this video and the question two video will appear. Shout out to Grace Hockey, awesome sponsor. We are at 1.17 subscribers now. Thank you to everyone for your support. So question one, use Facebook facts on page 2 of the preliminary material. So I've just copy and pasted that over. So it's next to what we're looking at. According to the article, Facebook had 1,230 million monthly active users worldwide by the end of 2013. Circle this number in standard form. So that's going to be 1230, and then million will have 6 zeros put on the end. So we can get rid of that one. It's not in standard form. 1.23 times by 10 to the power of, and we need to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shifts to get our number or our decimal place into the correct position. So it's 1.23 times 10 to the power of 9. Part B, suggest 2 improvements that could be made to the presentation of the bar chart in the article, and I'll probably write it on here. So having a look at this, we don't seem to have any sort of labeling for the X or the Y axis. So in here, we can label X axis, we can label the Y axis. So those elements of it are missing. We also sort of mix up the format of the year. So we could place the year before the bar. There's no need to put it on the bar at all. It's just a bit confusing. We could use a key to indicate what M is. Is M millions? It's not clear. It doesn't say what it is. The bar chart should be to scale. So we've got 12 million here. If we were to make that 100 times bigger, it's not going to get anywhere near that. So draw to scale. I appreciate why they've done it. They want to show a growth. They want to show a difference, but it's no good. And then, of course, we could sort of just make some of these numbers clearer on what they represent. So you are picking things out, picking little bits up. Watch this video a few times and you'll get used to how these questions are answered. Okay, go back now to question C. Joe has started working for Survey Hunt, a social media research company. Sorry, I've got something on my screen. I'm just trying to get rid of it. I'm just going to get rid of it now. There we go. Joe calculates the mean increase in the number of active Facebook users per year from the beginning of 2008 to the end of 2013. His calculations are as follows. Critically analyze Joe's calculations, stating any corrections or improvements that could be made. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. So he needs to divide by 6. That's the first error that he's made. He could do last minus first, and then divide that by 6. I've got an error in here as well. So what should that number be? There should be 608. 608 360. Yeah, so we should have 608 in there as well. Of course, you'll write these as sentences and you'll explain to your examiner. I think that's about it. I mean, we could argue he should have millions in there at the end, but we don't see his answer. So not a problem, but I think that they're most of the errors in there. Okay, happy. I mean, finally, we could say 1230, take away 58 over 6. We'll get him to where he wants to go. Okay, part D. Just before Facebook bought Instagram, Facebook had 900 million users. As part of the purchase, each Instagram user was automatically given a Facebook account. On the 10th of April 2012, Survey Hunt carried out a survey about the public's opinion of social media. A sample of 350 people with Facebook accounts took part in this survey. Of the 350, 25 were Instagram users who had just been given a Facebook account. Survey Hunt claimed that its survey fairly represented the Instagram users who had just been given a Facebook account. Does the data support this claim? Okay, so looking back at the text, there were 40 million, what was it, Insta users. Okay, so if they all got Facebook accounts, that meant that there would be 940 million Facebook users. 40 over 940, and then multiplied by the 350 people sampled will tell us how many people should have been sampled. So calculator turn on, 40 divided by 940 multiplied by 350, format decimal, gives me 18. No, that's the wrong numbers. I've got the wrong numbers in here. Hold on a minute. What did I put in? I put 49, should be 40. Can't read my own writing. 40 over 940 times by 350, decimal. There we are, that's better. 14.8936. So 14 or 15 people, 25 were asked. So no, they should have 14/15 people, not 25. So the data does not support that claim. Okay. Part E. On the 4th of February, Lena had 50 shares in Facebook. The exchange rate that day was £1 to $1.6. She said, my shares in Facebook are worth more than £2,000. Was she correct? What's the Facebook share worth? Let's scroll up. Oh, hold on. I need to know the date, don't I? 4th of February. Okay. 2014. Here we are. Stock now, change hands, 61.48. Right, let's go back down. 61.48. $61.48 per share. How many did she have? She had 50. So we'll multiply that by 50. $3,074. Now to convert that back to pounds, we've got to divide that by 1.6. And then we go to decimal. That's 1,921 pounds and 25 pence. So no, she is wrong. Okay, is that it? Yep, that's question 1 done. I'll stop this video and I'll see you at question 2.